In the peaceful village of Polgahawela, nestled amidst the lush greenery of Sri Lanka, a young girl named Nethmi grew up surrounded by stories. From a young age, she was fascinated by the tales her grandmother shared and the colorful books her father brought back from the town's library. But what intrigued her the most were stories in a language she didn't yet understand: English. Nethmi's educational journey began early in the village school, where English was part of the curriculum alongside her native Sinhala. Miss Pereira, her patient and nurturing teacher, introduced the English alphabet with songs and vibrant pictures. Eager to learn, Nethmi practiced writing the unfamiliar letters at home, with her father encouraging her every step of the way. Despite the challenges of learning a new language, Nethmi was determined to improve. Her father, who valued education deeply, shared stories of how learning English could open doors to a world of knowledge and opportunity. With a supportive family and a nurturing school environment, her journey to learn English was filled with encouragement and optimism. As the years passed, Nethmi's proficiency in English flourished. By high school, she excelled in her English classes, her vocabulary expanding and her confidence soaring. She began participating in English-speaking competitions, where her storytelling skills captivated audiences and earned her recognition. One summer, she seized an opportunity to attend an English immersion program in Colombo, the bustling capital city. Surrounded by peers from across the island, Nethmi found herself immersed in an environment where English was spoken fluently and confidently. The experience broadened her perspectives and deepened her appreciation for the language. Returning to Polgahawela, Nethmi was inspired to give back to her community. She volunteered as a tutor, helping younger students improve their English skills and discover the joy of reading. Her dream of becoming a journalist, to tell stories that bridged cultures and connected people, felt closer than ever. With the support of her family and community, Nethmi pursued her dream. She earned a scholarship to study journalism at a prestigious university in Colombo, where she continued to excel. Her journey of learning had not only transformed her own life, but also inspired those around her to pursue their dreams with determination and passion. Nethmi believed that education had the power to change lives and open doors to new opportunities. Through her experiences, she saw firsthand how learning could broaden horizons and empower individuals to make a positive impact in their communities.
1. Nestled, comfortably situated within a surrounding area. 2. Curriculum, the set of courses and subjects taught in a school or educational program. 3. Native Sinhala, the primary language spoken by people as their first language in a particular region or country. 4. Proficiency, the ability to do something well or skillfully. 5. Excelled, to have done exceptionally well or to have stood out in a particular activity or subject. 6. Immersion program, an educational experience where students are fully surrounded by a new language or culture to learn it more effectively. 7. Bridged cultures, connected or linked different cultural backgrounds or traditions. 8. Broaden horizons, to expand one's knowledge, experiences, or perspectives.
Now it's your turn to share. We're eager to hear all about your journey learning English. Tell us your story in the comments below. Whether you faced challenges or celebrated victories, we want to hear it all. And here's the exciting part. Your story could be featured in one of our upcoming videos. Or if you'd like, we can even create a special story inspired by your experience. So don't hesitate, share your adventures with us today.